Tiwari. He is an HR manager in Mahindra CAE. Sir has 13 plus years enriching experience in HR generalist and IR in manufacturing industry. He started his career with Indian MNC Raymond, then worked in Alicon Group, Amber Group, and presently associated as an HR manager with Mahindra CIE since 2017. Versed with ER and IR, PMS organization development, talent acquisition, HR strategy, succession planning, very talented person, considered, then we find that he has implemented online training modules for people development through e-learning and also and strategy projects, long-term goal of organization. He has successfully completed 8 PMS cycles. Ladies and gentlemen, our next speaker, Mr. Upendra Tiwari, an open-minded, free-spirited, optimistic person. And in this pandemic situation, who would be a better person than him to be here, to be heard? And our third speaker, Mr. Ajit Yadvarkar, who is an HR manager in Brinton's Pharmaceutical Limited. He has completed his BE in mechanical stream and done his PG in human resources from Symbiosis Center for Management and Human Resources Development in Pune. Sir is an experienced HR professional with exposure to various areas of HR.
Ma'am, are you there? Not audible. Maybe internet issues is there, technical issues is there.
She is muted.
Ma'am, are you unmute yourself? Hello, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes.
Renuka ma'am, you are audible. Now is audible.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
You can mute you can stop your video. So I think it will be better. Yeah, ma'am.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
As we have we have already got the brief introduction of Ms. Preeti Sakre and Ms. Upendra Tiwari, and I was introducing Ajit Yadvarkar along. I couldn't introduce because of the poor internet connection. Now I'm going ahead. Sir has a prior experience across IT, auto, and pharma companies in increasing order of responsibilities. Sir has successfully managed multifunctional teams and delivered solutions that cater to rapidly expanding organizations to achieve sustainable growth. He has successfully led digital transformation project for 10,000 plus employees across India and global subsidiaries. May I request Mr. Ajit Yadvarkar, sir, Mr. Upendra Tiwari, sir, and Ms. Preeti Sakre to address about the functional skills of engineering after COVID-19. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Preeti ma'am, am I audible to you?
Yeah, you're audible, but you're
Yeah.
not, but your voice is not getting
Yes.
properly actually.
Yes, yes.
Ajit, can you please
Ma'am,
put it
you
up
are
in
audible.
Yes.
You can.
Yes. Yeah, I'm sharing the screen.
Yeah, Ajit, put
Yeah,
it up in a
screen is-
fourth page.
we
You just
can-
put up.
Uh,
Roll out in
Sorry?
this fourth page. How to effectively lead during pandemic leadership. So 4 pieces, just put up that.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Should I start from first slide?
Second, how to effectively lead during pandemic. That I've already explained this. Yeah, Upendra, can you please go ahead with this?
Yeah,
Hello.
definitely. Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, absolutely.
Yes. Just go ahead.
Okay. Before starting the session, let me introduce myself. Good morning, namaskaram, suprabhat, assalamu alaikum, welcome, sat sri akal to all friends. I hope you all are doing good and safe. And I love connect with people, and I love writing poetry. That is my passion. I love writing blogs, articles, and now I want to share a few rules before starting the session. All are requested to keep on mute. They can share their thoughts, response through chat. And before starting the session, let be a creative way. Means we can start in a creative way. I want to understand from all the participants. In 3 words, give your introduction within 2 minutes. In 3 words, your name and your what you want to share with us. All the participants, please.
In chat box, you just put up your message. Put up your points in chat box.
Only messaged is allowed. Only messaged.
Rahul Kumar, civil engineer. Ritvik Chatterjee, Sumit. Wow. Okay. Now, Majhar Sandeep. Wow, great. Okay. Now, can you share your goals in 2 words? What you want to achieve in your life? Your goals in 2 words. Set up my own firm. Great. Job in PSU. Great. IAS officer. Right. Great. Successful life. Adopting 5 PS. Great. Qualify UPSC. Success. To get in. Great. IAS officer. Successful engineer. Right. Best engineer. Okay. Now, can you please share which last book you recently read other than your academic books? Which last book you read other than your academic books? You can win. Lakshmikant. Rich Dad Poor Dad. Great. Great. Okay. So, guys, it's nice to see you that you are still interested to read and learn. Okay. कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा कि दुनिया करना चाहे तुम्हारा जैसा. कुछ ऐसा लाइफ में करना चाहे हर कोई आप में से, जो हर कोई सोचे कि उनके जैसा ही करें. दुनिया में हर कोई सोचना चाहिए ऐसा. तो बेसिकली इसके लिए क्या क्या करना है, दैट आई वांट टू शेयर विथ यू. उसके लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? कैन यू शेयर प्लीज? ओके. प्रिपेयर्ड. फर्स्ट वी नीड टू प्रिपेयर. गिव योर बेस्ट. बट प्रिपेयर फॉर द वर्स्ट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज आप बोल नहीं सकते हैं कब ऐसी सिचुएशन आ जाए जो आपको टैकल करना पड़े विच इज अनप्रेडिक्टेबल. You should be ready for everything. For that, you need to set your SMART goals. SMART goals means, yes, stand for specific. Your goals should be specific. Goals should be measurable, because if you cannot measure the things, then you cannot improve. And that is why your goals, your aims, your objectives should be measurable. आप कितना चाहते हैं लाइफ में, क्या चाहते हैं लाइफ में, you should be measure it. देन अचीवेबल होना चाहिए. आप जो कुछ भी पाना चाहते हैं वो पॉसिबल है क्या? आप चांद तारे तोड़ने के अगर सपने देखेंगे, विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल, मीन्स यू हैव नॉट सेट योर स्मार्ट गोल. तो कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए जो अचीव कर सकते हो. देन दैट शुड बी रियलिस्टिक, रिलेवेंट होना चाहिए जो आप अचीव कर सकते हैं. एंड इट शुड बी टाइम बाउंड, मीन्स आप कितने समय में ये पाना चाहते हैं, आप कितने समय में जो भी आप सोचते हैं, जो आपका एम है, गोल है, अचीव करना चाहते हैं. एंड उसके लिए करना क्या पड़ेगा आपको? यू नीड टू बी इन 4D अप्रोच. 4D अप्रोच मीन्स फर्स्ट D स्टैंड फॉर डिजायर टू डिजर्व. आपकी बहुत सारी डिजायर्स होंगी लाइफ में बनने के लिए, लेने पाने के लिए, बट रियल यू डिजर्व फॉर दिस? आप उसके लिए डिजर्व करते हैं क्या? ये आपको सोचना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ईश्वर हमें वो नहीं देता है जो हमारी डिजायर है. ईश्वर हमेशा हमें वही देता है जो हम डिजर्व करते हैं. तो हमें अपने डिजायर को अपने डिजर्व में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. करना क्या पड़ेगा? उसके लिए हमको डेडिकेशन चाहिए, हमारी लगन चाहिए, हमारी लगातार हमको सीखते रहना पड़ेगा, मेहनत करते रहना पड़ेगा. अपनी कमियों को ढूंढ के, अपना सेल्फ असेसमेंट करके उनको दूर करने के लिए हमको कोशिश करते रहना पड़ेगा. हमको लगातार कोशिशें करता रहना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि करत करत अभ्यास के जड़ मत होत सुजान, और श्री आवत जाते ही सिल पर होत निशान. आप कंटिन्यू प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, प्रैक्टिस इज ट्राई अगेन, देन डेफिनेटली one day you will achieve your goal, your aim, and आप जो बनना चाहते हैं लाइफ में जरूर बन पाएंगे. उसके लिए आपकी जिद होना चाहिए. सेकंड, थर्ड, डिटर्मिनेशन. क्योंकि जब तक जिद नहीं होती है, हम अपने ड्रीम से, अपने एम से मोहब्बत करते हैं. वी लव अवर एम्स, अवर गोल्स, बट हम जिद्दी नहीं होते हैं. इस वजह से शायद कहीं हम अपने एम से दूर रहते हैं, उसको अचीव नहीं कर पाते हैं. क्योंकि किसी ने सच ही कहा कि मोहब्बत किया है इसलिए जाने दिया, जिद होती तो बाहों में होती. इसलिए आप अपने ड्रीम्स के साथ मोहब्बत मत करो, उसको अपनी जिद बनाओ, अपनी डिटर्मिनेशन बनाओ. देन डिवोशन, आपको त्याग करना पड़ेगा. आपकी रेस्ट, आपकी स्लीपिंग, नींद आपको छोड़नी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि ड्रीम्स वो नहीं होते हैं जो आप रात को सोते हुए देखते हैं. ड्रीम्स वो होते हैं जो आपको सोने ना दें जब तक आप उनको अचीव ना कर पाए. राइट. सेकंड वन है प्रोएक्टिव. आपका प्रोएक्टिव अप्रोच ही होना चाहिए टू अचीव योर गोल. अभी उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? यू नीड टू बी पॉजिटिव, यू नीड टू बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, यू नीड टू बी फ्लेक्सिबल एंड फोकस्ड. अब मुझे अलार्म की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है, क्योंकि हर सवेरे मेरा पैशन ही मुझे जगा देता है. ऐसा अप्रोच आपका होना चाहिए. आपका पैशन, आपको जब तक आप अचीव नहीं कर पाते हैं उस गोल को, आपको सोना नहीं चाहिए, आपको रेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए, आपको कंटिन्यूअस आपका फोकस होना चाहिए टू अचीव योर एम. सचिन तेंदुलकर कौन जानता था जब वह 10th फेल था? धीरू भाई अंबानी कौन जानता था उन्हें जब वो एक पेट्रोल पंप में काम कर रहे होते हैं? उन्होंने अपना कुछ करके दिखाया, इस दुनिया से कुछ अलग किया, इसकी वजह से आज हम उनको जानते हैं. एक बेस्ट प्लेयर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड सचिन तेंदुलकर, एंड बेस्ट बिजनेसमैन, एशिया के नंबर 1 बिजनेसमैन हैं अभी उनके बेटे मुकेश अंबानी. तो ऐसा कुछ हमको लाइफ में करना पड़ेगा अगर हम कुछ अचीव करना चाहते हैं. तो करना क्या पड़ेगा? लाइक योर वर्क और फॉलो योर पैशन. आप जो कर रहे हो, आप या तो उसे पसंद करो, या फिर जो भी आपका पैशन है, लाइफ में जो कुछ बनना चाहते हैं, अचीव करना चाहते हैं, उसको फॉलो करो, उसके लिए काम करो. क्योंकि दो नाव में पैर रखेंगे तो आप कभी भी सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो पाएंगे. इसके लिए आइदर लाइक योर वर्क और डू व्हाट यू लाइक. स्वर्ग तो सबको जानना है, पर मरना कोई नहीं चाहता है. चैलेंज ये है, मीन्स हर कोई चाहता है कि लाइफ में हम बहुत कुछ अचीव कर पाए, बहुत कुछ मिले, बट उसके लिए जो हमको मेहनत करना है, उसके लिए हमारा जो डेडिकेशन चाहिए, उसके लिए हमारा जो एफर्ट चाहिए, जो कंटिन्यूअस हमको उसके लिए प्रयास करते रहना पड़ेगा, वो कोई नहीं करता है. तो हमें उस पर टिके रहना पड़ेगा जब तक कि हम अचीव नहीं कर पाते हैं. अगला क्या है? लीडिंग अप्रोच होना चाहिए आपका. रेडी टू बिकम अ लीडर. क्योंकि आज की जनरेशन में काम करने वाले बहुत सारे लोग हैं, लीड करने वाले ही दुनिया में आगे बढ़ते हैं। और लीड करने के लिए आपको एक टीम चाहिए, टीम का सपोर्ट चाहिए, टीम बनानी पड़ेगी आपको। और टीम बनाने के लिए आपको बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस आएंगे। बहुत बार आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि मैं सारा काम करता हूँ, क्रेडिट किसी और को मिल रहा है, बहुत बार ऐसा लगेगा। तो आप उस कंडीशन में भी आपको पेशेंस रखना है, नाराज ना होना ये सोच कर कि काम मेरा और नाम किसी और का हो रहा है, क्योंकि दिए का काम है जलना और तूफान का काम है चलना। डू योर वर्क पैशनेटली, फोकस ऑन योर वर्क। सिंह बनो, सिंहासन की चिंता मत करो, क्योंकि सिंह जिस चट्टान पर बैठ जाता है वही सिंहासन बन जाता है। तो आपको एक ऐसा एटीट्यूड लेके आना पड़ेगा आपके अंदर। फोकस ऑन सॉल्यूशंस, आपको सोल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड बनना पड़ेगा। प्रॉब्लम्स तो हर कोई लेके आता है, हर किसी के चेहरे में 12 बजे रहते हैं। हर कोई सोचता है कि आज ये चैलेंज है, कल वो चैलेंज है, इसके बारे में उसके बारे में दुनिया भर की निगेटिविटी रहती है हमारे चारों तरफ, हम यही सोचते रहते हैं। बट हम उन प्रॉब्लम्स को लेके बैठेंगे तो हमारी लाइफ आगे नहीं बढ़ेगी। अभी जैसे करंट सिनेरियो यू कैन सी, बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस हैं, बस इस टाइम पे भी बहुत सारे लोग अच्छा कर रहे हैं। तो हमें अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा ऐसी सिचुएशन के लिए भी, कि ऐसी कोई भी सिचुएशन आए तो हम उस सिचुएशन को डील कर पाए, टैकल कर पाए। उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, आपको सॉल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड होना पड़ेगा, अपनी सोच को डेवलप करना पड़ेगा, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर बनना पड़ेगा आपको। जिंदगी के आसपास ही सोल्यूशन रहता है, बट हम उसको एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर पाते हैं, उसको देख नहीं पाते हैं। इसकी वजह से हमारे दिमाग में, हमारे चारों तरफ निगेटिविटी रहती है। आपको पॉजिटिव वे में सोचना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि क्या ढूंढते हो आसपास, सब कुछ तो है तुम्हारे पास। किसकी है तुम्हें तलाश, गौर से देखो, सबसे खास हो तुम ही सबसे खास। नेक्स्ट क्या है, आपका प्रोएक्टिव अप्रोच होना चाहिए, प्रिडिक्टिव होना चाहिए। आपको प्रिडिक्टिव मींस क्या होना पड़ेगा, आपको पहले से समझना पड़ेगा, अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा सिचुएशंस को। आपको सॉलिड बनना पड़ेगा, आपके काम में स्पीड दिखानी पड़ेगी। आपको जो भी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, जो कुछ भी आप कर रहे हैं, जो कुछ बनना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए आपको आपकी स्पीड मेंटेन करनी पड़ेगी। इतना कंपटीशन है मार्केट में, एक वैकेंसी आती है 100 लोगों के सीवी जाते हैं हमारे पास में। आप इससे समझ सकते हैं। और सिचुएशन अभी और वर्स्ट हो जा रही है, अभी तो और भी सिचुएशन ऐसी हो जाएगी कि एक ओपनिंग के लिए हमारे पास 500 कैंडिडेट्स आएंगे। क्यों, मार्केट में ऐसा सिचुएशन हो गया है, सारी इंडस्ट्रीज अभी रिसेशन में है, डाउन, बहुत सारा ऑर्डर वगैरह नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं हमको, जिसकी वजह से जैसा नॉर्मल मार्केट चल रहा था वैसा नहीं चल रहा है। देन वी नीड टू एक्सेप्ट दैट, हमको एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा कि अभी हमको इसी सिचुएशन में आगे बढ़ना है। यू नीड टू एक्सेप्ट एंड रिस्पॉन्ड योर प्लान, try to understand the situation, try to understand the challenges you have, and it will help you to find out the solution. आपको खुद से आपका सॉल्यूशन ढूंढना पड़ेगा, हालातों को समझना सीखना पड़ेगा, जज्बातों को समझना सीखना पड़ेगा, और आपके ख्यालातों को भी समझना सीखना पड़ेगा। बी ऑन प्रेजेंट, आप अपने प्रेजेंट में रहो। सी योर प्रेजेंट एंड प्लान फॉर योर फ्यूचर। इंजॉय योर टुडे, डेफिनेटली आपको अपनी लाइफ इंजॉय करनी है, इंजॉय योर टुडे बट बी रेडी फॉर टुमारो। डू योर रिस्क असेसमेंट, आपका सेल्फ असेसमेंट करो, आपको लाइफ में क्या चाहिए और आप कैसे उसको अचीव कर सकते हैं। उसके लिए रिसर्च करिए, आप जितना कुछ रिसर्च कर सकते हैं। रिस्क एनालिसिस करिए, आप इन्वेस्टिगेशन करिए कि कहाँ कहाँ से ऐसी चीजें हो सकती हैं जिसकी वजह से मैं इन चीजों को अचीव कर सकता हूँ, उसके क्या क्या चैलेंजेस हैं, एंड चैलेंजेस के साथ में क्या क्या सोल्यूशंस हो सकते हैं, उसके लिए भी आपको सोचना पड़ेगा। यू नीड टू इम्प्रूव योर नॉलेज, आपको आपका नॉलेज इंप्रूव करना पड़ेगा, तब जाके आप आपके जगह पे, आपके एम पे, आपके डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंच पाएंगे। रिस्क को रिस्क से ही दूर करना है। रिस्क को कैसे दूर करना है, पहला आर स्टैंड फॉर रीअसेसमेंट। आपको आपका असेसमेंट करना है कि मेरे पास कितनी कैपेसिटी है, मेरी क्या स्किल लेवल है, मेरी क्या कॉम्पिटेंसी है, और इसकी वजह से अगर मुझे कुछ अचीव करना है तो मुझे किस एरिया में, किस स्किल में कितना इंप्रूवमेंट करना है। देन इंटरडिपेंडेंसी, आपको दूसरों पे डिपेंड नहीं होना है। जब आप दूसरों पे डिपेंड हो जाएंगे तो आप नहीं हो पाएंगे, आपकी जगह पे वह दूसरा जो आपकी जगह पे है वो आपकी बाजी जीत के जाएगा। तो आपको डिपेंडेंट होना है। अभी मोदी जी ने कहा था कुछ दिनों पहले, सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट होना है, आपको आत्मनिर्भर होना है, आपको आपका चुनाव खुद करना है। एंड शेयरिंग, आप लोगों से शेयर करेंगे तब आपसे लोग शेयर करेंगे, और जब आप शेयर करेंगे तब आप इंप्रूव करेंगे। कहते हैं कि कुएं में पानी जितना आप शेयर करो तो कुएं का पानी वैसे उतना ही बढ़ता है। सेम वे में जब आप अपना नॉलेज शेयर करते हैं, आपका नॉलेज और बढ़ता है। तो हमेशा आपको शेयरिंग मोड पे रहना चाहिए। एंड कीपिंग ऑन गुड लर्निंग्स, आपको अच्छा सीखते रहना पड़ेगा, लगातार सीखता रहना पड़ेगा। देन आपको प्रोडक्टिव होना पड़ेगा, ग्राउंड बेस, रियल पिक्चर क्या है, ऑप्टिमिस्टिक इन द सेंस आप ओपन होना चाहिए। आप किसी भी चीज के लिए, कैसी भी सिचुएशन आएगी, आपको टैकल करने के लिए, उसको फेस करने के लिए रेडी रहना पड़ेगा। देन कोलैबोरेशन होना चाहिए, कभी भी टीम के साथ आप बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट वगैरह भी करते होंगे, तो वहां पे भी आपको लगता होगा कि हमें एक दूसरे की जरूरत पड़ती है, डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि हर कोई परफेक्ट नहीं होता है। तो इस सिचुएशन में हमें एक दूसरे की मदद से, एक दूसरे के साथ सपोर्ट करते हुए आगे बढ़ना है। जो कुछ हमारे पास है हमें दूसरों को देना है, और जो उनके पास है उनसे ज्ञान लेना है। एंड एक्सेप्टेंस होना चाहिए, आप जैसे भी हैं उसको एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए। यस, डेफिनेटली बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ, आपको खुद में बिलीव होना चाहिए। एंड अवॉइड द थिंग्स, नेगेटिव थिंग्स, उनको लेट इट गो, उनको जाने दो, क्योंकि लाइफ में आप उनको लेके आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते हैं। ऐसी कुछ भी चीजें हो रही हैं नकारात्मक, जो आपके लाइफ में स्ट्रेस ला रही हैं, जो आपके लिए बहुत सारी
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Not getting voice.
Hello.
Uh,
Yeah, not
we are
audible.
getting
Na?
your voice, but we are
Oh.
not getting Ajit sir's voice, ma'am.
Hello. Upendra, you there?
Am I
Awaj nahi-
audible, Upendra?
Upendra? Hello.
Yeah, audible, ma'am.
Upendra, you there?
Yeah. Preeti, maybe you can take the slides if he's having network issues.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Actually, Upendra sir is saying that you can take the slides because Ajit sir has some network issues.
Okay. Ajit, you can take ahead then.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm audible, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
I
Yeah, audible.
Yes, thanks. First of all, Renuka ma'am, thanks for the nice introduction. So I'll move on to the slides. We have seen the 4 Ps. Now we'll come to the people management. So basically, this is a tough situation for everyone, right from people who are students to who are in the industry, working in all sort of various different industry verticals like automotive, IT, pharma, and other industries. So this is the time that we should engage ourselves into learning and development programs so that we have a very good mental health. So what we can do is we need to have very good communication, in a sense that what industries are doing right now, what we are doing. So I can give you an example of our company and other pharma companies. So what we are doing is we are constantly communicating with our employees on what is the situation, what the company is doing for everyone's safety and security. There have been lot of trainings, online trainings, management development programs that we are doing. We are also asking people to stay at home, or maybe share what is happening at their home, and so on and so forth. So basically, this is a time where everyone needs to keep their morale high through engaging each other, engaging the employees. Even I'm sure your college must also be having sessions for you, like these sessions, to keep you engaged, because now going ahead there will be no normal. So don't expect that the situation which was there 2 months, 3 months back, it will be there. It will be a new normal. So things will be very, very different, and you have to be prepared for the new normal. Yes. So coming to this slide, so basically, since you are engineering graduates, I have also been through that journey. I am a mechanical engineer, from one of the government autonomous colleges, and I have been through this journey what you are going now. After my 12th, I joined an engineering college which was far away from my home, and then slowly I also, along with the studies, I also participated in other activities and so on and so forth. Appeared for the campus placements. Fortunately, with God's grace, I got 2 campus placements. So I understand totally what you have been going through, and suddenly when this COVID pandemic strikes, there is a lot of uncertainty. You are not sure what will happen and what will not happen. You'll think of your internships, you'll think of your placements. So the best that you can do is during this time is you can reskill yourself. During this time, you can add to already what your skills and knowledge is there, right? So when the campus placements or when the internships happen, you can showcase your skills, right? And similarly, your education sector is also been impacted. So instead of classroom, you must be having the virtual classroom and the sessions. This is a worldwide effect. So we need to understand that uh, we have to keep learning. We have to keep learning, and that's the only way ahead for uh, all of the students,
पावर कट हो गया था, इसकी वजह से थोड़ा डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था ना, एंड अगेन आई
right?
कनेक्टेड टू माय मोबाइल.
Yes. So moving on, how I assume you must have heard of these phrases: growth mindset and the fixed mindset. Uh, anyone of you have heard of these phrases? Okay. See, basically, there are 2 types of mindsets you can say. If you look at the right hand side, fixed mindset. So, what does fixed mindset mean? It means that I am either good at it or I am not. मतलब मुझे ये करते आएगा या मुझे नहीं करते आएगा. मुझे नहीं करते आएगा तो मैं छोड़ दूंगा. When I'm frustrated, I'll give up. आप बताइए मुझे कि आई एम स्मार्ट. मैं जितना कर सकता हूँ उतना ही कर सकता हूँ. दिस इज अ फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट. उसके अपोजिट में है ग्रोथ माइंडसेट. सो ग्रोथ माइंडसेट क्या बोलता है कि मैं कुछ भी सीख सकता हूँ. जो मुझे करना है, जो मुझे सीखना है, मैं कुछ भी सीख सकता हूँ. जब मेरे से कोई बात नहीं हो रही है, व्हेन आई एम फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, आई परसिवियर, आई वर्क हार्ड, आई वांट टू चैलेंज माई सेल्फ. जो फिक ग्रोथ माइंडसेट के लोग होते हैं वो बोलते हैं कि मैं चैलेंजेस थ्रू ही ग्रो करूंगा. और जो उनके फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, कलीग्स होते हैं, वो उनके सक्सेस से इंस्पायर होते हैं, राइट? उनका मानना रहता है कि मेरा एफर्ट्स एंड माय एटीट्यूड डिटरमाइन एवरीथिंग, राइट? सो इन दोनों में मेजर डिफरेंस इज कि राइट साइड में जो है फिक्स माइंडसेट, उन्हें लगता है कि मैं इतना ही सीख सकता हूँ, इतना ही कर पाता हूँ. और जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में है, तो दे थिंक दैट दे कैन लर्न एनीथिंग एंड दे कैन डू एनीथिंग. जो हमने पहले जो एग्जांपल्स देखे थे, धीरू भाई अंबानी एंड जो, तो यू कैन इमेजिन उनका कौन सा माइंडसेट था. उनका ग्रोथ माइंडसेट था, बिकॉज दे वेर एबल टू grow from a very very tough situation and grow to one of the richest people in the world. अभी अगेन फिक्स माइंडसेट हमने देखा है कि यू आर born with these skills. ग्रोथ माइंडसेट बोलता है कि even though I am born with these skills, I can work hard and I can always improve. Fixed mindset people don't like challenges. Growth mindset people like challenges. फीडबैक जो होता है, फिक्स माइंडसेट पीपल टेक इट डिफेंसिवली. तूने मुझे ऐसा क्यों बोल दिया, ऐसा नहीं है, तुम गलत हो. वाइल ग्रोथ माइंडसेट के लोग जो है वो बोलेंगे कि डेफिनेटली आपका फीडबैक बहुत यूजफुल है एंड दिस इज माय एरिया ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट, और मैं इसमें आई विल वर्क ऑन दिस थिंग, राइट? और जो सेटबैक्स आते हैं, जो फेलियर्स आते हैं, तो ग्रोथ माइंडसेट लोगों के लिए दे आर वेकअप कॉल टू वर्क हार्डर द नेक्स्ट टाइम, राइट? सो अभी जो सिचुएशन है, जो पैंडेमिक के वजह से सिचुएशन है, आपको ये टाइम में यू शुड थिंक ऑन विच माइंडसेट यू हैव, और अगर आपकी माइंडसेट फिक्स माइंडसेट है, हाउ यू कैन कन्वर्ट योर फिक्स माइंडसेट टू अ ग्रोथ माइंडसेट, बिकॉज आगे जाके इफ यू सी नाउ द सिचुएशन इज वेरी अनसर्टन, कंपनीज will be requiring people who are very flexible, जो फास्ट लर्न कर सकते हैं, जो फास्ट ग्रो कर सकते हैं, और जो फास्ट अनलर्न करके फिर लर्न कर सकते हैं. सो यू हैव टू बिल्ड योर स्किल एंड नॉट योर रेज्यूमे. जो रेज्यूमे होता है वो एक कागज पे लिखा हुआ कुछ शब्द होते हैं, और जो स्किल्स होती है वो पर्सन स्पेसिफिक रहती है. वो जो आपके पास जो स्किल्स रहती है वो आपको बिल्ड करना है. अगर आप देखेंगे तो बहुत जो बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस अगर आप देखेंगे तो आपके इंटरव्यूज के पहले काफी सारे कंपनीज असेसमेंट टेस्ट लेती है, राइट. असेसमेंट टेस्ट होती है, साइकोमेट्रिक टेस्ट होती है, और उसके बाद में कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड टेस्ट होती है. सो इट इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट योर सीवी, आपने कितना अच्छा बनाया और आपके इंटरव्यू क्या था. आपके जो स्किल्स और कॉम्पिटेंसीज है तो वो कैसे आप दिखा सकते हैं, वो कितने लेवल के स्किल्स और कॉम्पिटेंसीज है, उस पे कंपनीज का स्ट्रेस रहता है. तो वो आपको बिल्ड करना है. And there are so many avenues for you to build your skills. Like Telangana ka Higher Education Council, it has partnered with TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, to offer career skill training program for campus pass outs. Similarly, Maharashtra Education Department TV radio through rural students को सिखा रहा है. Central HRD Ministry is using digital platforms for continuous learning. इसी तरह बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स है विच वी विल सी. आपको पता रहेगा एक स्वयं करके प्लेटफॉर्म है, वहां पे आप सीख सकते हैं. एक यूडेमी करके है, इट्स अ ग्लोबल वेबसाइट जहां पे आप काफी सारा कोर्सेस आप कर सकते हैं. एंड दीज आर मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर फ्री. बहुत सारे फ्री कोर्सेस हैं वहां पे जो आप कर सकते हैं. इंडस्ट्री 4.0 मतलब जो अभी का है, पहले जो है इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन आया है, नाउ इट इज द फोर्थ इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन. तो अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि ऑटोमोटिव कंपनीज, टाटा स्टील, टाटा मोटर्स, हीरो, बजाज, ऐसे कंपनीज में आपको जाना है, तो वहां पे इंडस्ट्री 4.0 है. तो वहां पे आपको क्या सीखने को मिलेगा, क्या करने को मिलेगा. सिमिलरली आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, क्लाउड, रोबोटिक्स, these are all the new technologies, new trainings that you should do. Machine learning, certified industry professional, similarly mental health and psychology courses, these you can do from Coursera. राइट. सो बिल्डिंग रेसिलियंसी, अभी आपका जैसे रोज का जो डेली वर्क है तो वो कैसे करेंगे आप, कि आपको डेली रूटीन मेंटेन करना है. कि आपका जो कॉलेज है, होम है, अभी तो दोनों एक ही हो गया है. तो आपको यू हैव टू कीप योरसेल्फ हेल्दी, you have to keep yourself connected, and you have to keep yourself adding the skills along with your other hobbies as well. So these are the 4 buckets. That is, you have to maintain your daily routine, you have to maintain your well-being, you have to build your relevant skills, and you have to look at beyond life, beyond your studies and work, and develop your hobbies. So you have to feel free to reach out to your friends and mentors for developing these skill sets. Right. So at the bottom you can see Coursera, Udemy, Career Foundry, LinkedIn, Treehouse, Springboard. These are all the various learning platforms that you can use. Most of them are free and some courses are paid, but as a student you can get many courses which are free courses. So, I would now request Ms. Preeti to take the next slides.
Okay, just wait a minute. Build relevant skills. Just go through it only. Yeah. Students, we all know that we are talking about functional skills. So we all are waiting for what are the relevant skills that we need to be put it up for a next level, right? So right now we are facing a very crucial period right now. And what are the future job aspect that we are right now facing it? That how we are going to get it or not, right? So what are the skills that we can come up, right? What is the aptitude skills, communication, technical skills that we all know that now it is the time for industry 4.0 that include IoT, then machine learnings, automation part is there, cloud computing is there. So whatever the technical skills or what are the soft skills, which is matched to your own aim and where you want to make your career. According to that, you just need to fix it up. What are the career skills that you want to make it up for your future aspect? So one, you can do technical skills, or what are the functional skills that you can add it up in your aspect, like for the future things that you need to be learned from there. And there are the various platforms that you can learn from that, right? An academy, Tata Skills, TCS, and so many IT industry, they're also providing online courses in that, right? So what you can do it, what are the functional skills that you are learning from the bookish to the practical learning, right? From your case studies when you're getting it, or some learning experience from your industry. So just go through it. You can tie up with some education institute like corporate governments, or you can go ahead with some automation thing that has come up, right? Everyone knows about that robotic things that has come up last 2 months. It is Sophia Robotics, right? That is one of the best examples that we can all learn from that, right? ISRO, they are using a robotic part that is being used for sending for the taking it out all the research part in space. So from there we can learn so many things, that how as a digital part from the government itself and from particular this prospect also we are learning, right? So the skills that we need to be updated, that is like aptitude, communication, the basic things as a fresher when we are hiring the people from the industry, from the corporate or some from the institute, when we are taking up some any new person from there, from the hiring prospect, yeah, from the campus to the corporate. So what are the basic things that we are looking after? We are looking after what are the basics scores that you are getting it from when you are doing your internship, or what you are getting from the bookish language, right? So we just need to get up some basic things that is matched to your job description of what profile you are getting. So it is not about the job you are doing it, the career that you want to make it. Put it in your mind. If your friends is getting 8 lakh a package and you're getting a 4 lakh a package, don't get disappointed on that, because it is something is because that he's added value in his things and he wants to go up in that way. Might be you are going to a different way or some other career. So just match up or go up in that sense. Okay. And second thing, if you can adapt that particular this COVID situation, so you can think it of like within 3 to 6 months, how you can go ahead with some new skills, or you can put up your new add value in a market, right? If you want to go for some IT companies, so put up your things like in which field you want to go ahead with that. All are available in market, all are getting it with your mentors also, so go ahead with that thing. Okay. And with the leadership quality, how you can make up your team mates according to that. So while joining any company, think about what are the skill set that is matched to your things. And what industry want? A work attitude, a strong analytics, listening and communication skills, what the team player or a collaborative motivation thing that has come up with a committed dedications work profile. So we need to add value in that way. And basic understanding of the business and its processes. How we are going to learn the things, that is one of the basics that we are looking after. How you're looking as a futuristic, or how you want to achieve your goal, that is main add up as a student you can do in your future aspect. So skills that you need to determine what you can do it, right? And skill, soft skill or technical skill, it is up to you how you can go ahead. If anyone wants to learn an SAP, anyone choose to go for some machine learning, so think about in which field you want to go ahead. Then after, you just choose your field and go ahead with that. Upen, you want to add some point? Hello?
Actually,
Hello?
yes, Preeti.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. You can add some point in that. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely audible, sir.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
what?
Now the situation. Yeah, I want to add that means now the situation is for both for industries and for academics for the students also means it's a critical situation for both of us, and we need to focus on how to tackle this situation and how to overcome our challenges what we are facing now. For that we need for as a industry we need to utilize our maximum skills, and to utilize maximum skills we need to do produce more, we need to because the challenges are there, we need to keep social distancing, we need to follow all the rules driven by government and instructed by the government, and we need to run the industry as well. And for that purpose we need to show our knowledge, our skills, our experience for the betterment of the industry and for the betterment of the uh, our employees as well. And for that we need to focus, we need to keep good intention for the employees and for the industry, and as an individual also we need to keep good intention to maintain the, we can say, good relation between employee and employer. इसके लिए हमको करना क्या पड़ेगा, वी नीड टू गिव आवर बेस्ट एज ए इंडिविजुअल, हमको जितना हमसे हो सकता है वी नीड टू यूज अवर मैक्सिमम पोटेंशियल टू गिव अवर बेस्ट. मैं स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी बोल रहा हूँ, वी नीड टू गिव अवर बेस्ट. व्हाई? बिकॉज आपको चैलेंजेस और भी आने वाले हैं, आपको अपने एफर्ट्स, अपने प्रयास इतने ऊंचे करने पड़ेंगे तब जाके आप कोई भी गोल, कोई भी एम व्हाट यू हैव डिसाइडेड यू कैन अचीव. आपकी आवाज ऊंची होगी तो कुछ ही लोग सुन पाएंगे, आपके प्रयास ऊंचे करने पड़ेंगे तब जाके आपकी सफलता शोर मचाएगी. आपको प्रयास इतनी खामोशी से करना है, आपको एफर्ट्स ऐसे करने हैं कि आपकी सक्सेस शोर मचानी चाहिए, आपकी सक्सेस आपका नाम बताना चाहिए मार्केट में. And for that purpose we need to never give up, because always challenges will be there, and how to tackle the challenges, that is up to us, whether we are problem oriented or solution oriented. तो challenges में भी हमको solution कैसे ढूंढना है, it's up to us only. And हमको कुछ ना कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा लाइफ में, बिकॉज क्या है, बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस आएंगे लाइफ में, बहुत सारे चीजें आएंगी, ऐसी समस्याएं आएंगी, प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगे जिसको हमको टैकल करना ही पड़ेगा, विच इज अनप्रेडिक्टेबल. उसके लिए करना क्या पड़ेगा, हमको अपना डेडिकेशन दिखाना पड़ेगा. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग, हमको अपना डिटर्मिनेशन दिखाना पड़ेगा, तब जाके हम उसको अचीव कर पाएंगे. अपने होप्स को जिंदा रखना पड़ेगा हमको. वी नीड टू कीप अवर होप ऑन गोइंग, बिकॉज वंस वी विल लूज अवर होप देन वी आर डेड. तो अपनी आशाओं को जिंदा रखना पड़ेगा. दिस इज फ्रॉम माय साइड.
Ajit, put the next slide. So now how industry is helping institute for enriching academics. So what we can do is now explore to real life work experience. So you all must know that real life experience, we are giving some practical problems to the student that is very useful for them to come up with some innovative ideas. Second thing, there is one more good example that is initiated by the government, that is hackathon. So hackathon is what it is in project life problem that is come up with a different state, right? So they put up that listed problems in site, and we need to find it out what are the solutions of that. So students are taking a problem on that and they are solving that problems. That is the best example I can put it up, how an industry or how government is putting their efforts to enriching this academics. And second thing, institute interference, industry institute, right? So how we can share our knowledge, like what is the new updates on that. So we need to share some views on that. That is very useful in that ways. Mentorship programs. In this way, we should understand what is the requirement in future expect, and we can give some more defined way what is come up in both the ways. Internship that has been provided last 2 months. So now we are taking it up for the 6 months. So it is very useful in both the ways. Then student interaction, more we are interacting with the students, so we come to know that what are the instructions way, means what are the new ways that has come up and what is the problem students are facing. Okay, if they don't know what is the new things that has come up in market, so we need to understand and we can come up and help up in understanding the things and assigning live project, that problem solving cases, like whatever the life cases corporate are facing. So we are assigning to the students also, so they can understand what are the things that is going on in current market, and they can come up with a solution. And mock interviews that we are doing in most of the institute. Mock interviews is prepare themselves for the pre-job. Okay, pre-job means we can prepare themselves for the coming whatever the means the placement they are facing right now. Means if they are not get selected, okay, if they get selected, it's a very good thing. But mock interviews is one of our best practices that we can develop them for a good level. That is best practices that industry is doing for enriching that academics. And next, it is post-COVID future of industry and education in global and India. So, Ajit, next slide. You can add some point on that, Ajit. Hello.
Yeah, you can go ahead. I'll add the point after this slide.
Okay. See, coronavirus related descriptions and give educators time to rethink the sector. Okay. So we see that this coronavirus, how it is affecting in all the industries over global worldwide also. It may also teach us how education need to change to be able to better prepare our young learners from what the future might hold it is. So we need to redefine the role of the educator itself. Teaching style, like we are doing as a webinar sessions, we are assigning some project also, a live project to them. We are taking some online engagement activities or some competition part or some web series like for the test also we are doing as in that we can add something in that way, right? Then after unlocking technology to deliver technologies, okay, in education sector we are going to add up some upcoming technologies and that, like automation parts, IoT. Then how we are using as an part of, we all know that DRDO, Kerala government, then after so many industries or IITs or some other institutes also, they come up with so many problem solving techniques, that is to find out or fight against this coronavirus. So what we need to do it, we need to adapt this situation, how we can go like work from home, like reliance and continuous learning. So this is that one of the type that we can add it up in our education system, right? And what is the creativity or what is the innovations that we can do in this time period? So this is the add-on value that we can go ahead and we can come up with the future aspect in that way. So education is one sector where we can add up some knowledge in that case, like technical skills. Through a few click on their phones, tablet, and computer, we will need to redefine the role of the educator in the classroom and lecture theater also. So what we need to do is we need to come up with the new skills, new innovation part starters in our mind, and we can implement that for the future aspect. So young people, we need to come up with the automation parts or something from the engineering background also. Like if you want to go for some manufacturing industry, or you can go for some pharma industry, or you can go for some FMCG company. So just think about that, where you want to go at. If you want to prepare some government also, so you need to search it out what they want as a skill part. So prepare yourself for this time duration and come with some innovative parts.
Preeti, I would like to add that we can take some case studies of interesting case studies like Uber, Ola, Zomato. These companies are the startup companies which suddenly disrupted the market, and they got so many employees on board. They got so many customers on board. Everyone was using, and because of this pandemic, suddenly no one is uh, going, driving through shared cabs. No one is ordering. Most of the people, they are not ordering food for outside, and like these. So now in this going ahead, the industries will be disrupted very fast. Very quickly things will change. Very quickly some company will grow, and very quickly it might also get redundant or old. So as a student and as a employee, we have to be very much concerned about how we can navigate these changes, as in how these sudden ups and downs, they should not affect us. And what we can do to navigate these ups and downs is definitely skilling ourselves in the soft skills as well as the technical skills that are there. So for each of your like mechanical engineering, you can also learn about the uh, AI part, the IoT part, the electronics part, which is sort of a complementary to your engineering domain now. For other engineering branches also, you can do courses on programming, you can do courses on Java, Python, which is very much in demand now. You can do courses on IoT, because this will also show to the interviewer that you are very serious about your career. That is why you are doing courses which are in demand but which are also tough. So going ahead, expect that the scenario will be very totally filled of ups and downs, very disruptive. Market will be there all around, so you have to be mentally ready to navigate these circumstances, and also along with that build your skill set.
Yes, right.
Yes, Preeti, Upendra, maybe you can take the next slide.
Yeah, for employability, in student point of view, I would like to share they need to prepare from heart, because as you mentioned that situation is not in our control, and for that we can prepare ourselves for any situation, and how our actions and our reassessment, our tracking, our preparation will able us to achieve our goal what we want to achieve. Like you mentioned, machine learning is also option there, data science is also in boom. Means if the student can want to know the take a knowledge, then definitely they can take the benefit of these two areas, because they are in a major means we can say it's a there is a lot of opportunity for those guys who are learning in this period, and they will skill up their knowledge to grab the opportunities in future. And for employability, they need to educate on daily basis, not only their academics. They need to update their knowledge considering market updates, considering the situations, and considering the industries. Means as you mentioned already, it's the era of industry 4.0. They need to train themselves. Training is the only thing which will help them to lead the tomorrow's era. If they will learn today, then only they will lead the tomorrow. And that is why they need to be part of the change. Then only they will understand the circumstances of change, and they will be prepared accordingly. And for that, their listening skills, I mean, what I'm observing, we need to listen to learn, because once we listen, then only we will learn. And if we learn, then only we will do the actions and we will achieve the results. तो मेरा यही कहना है कि मानते तो जीने का सलीका आ जाता और सुनते तो बोलने का तरीका आ जाता. And for that we need to be prepared for listening, we need to prepare for learning, we need to prepare for everything which are coming in our upcoming days. This is from my side.
Yeah, we have seen that right now we all are working from home, and digital adoption, right? We are facing so many issues during this COVID situation, and we are more practically we are say that we are more dependent on internet, and we are connected over phone only with the people, right? So whatever the things we are going, it all depends on in internet phase, right? So what we do is we need to realign our policies and what are the business practices that we are right now adopting. So we need to redesign all the things, and we need to practice ourselves that to be in line with this situation. So the COVID-19 crisis will be catalyst to unpredictable changes in every industry, or in each field we can say that. So every industry will be forced to reform and restructure in order to transform into the new realistic things that we need to do in future also. If you say that after 18th how many companies are going to work it out, so they work it out with some small workforce, right? And in institute also it is like all exams are getting postponed and everything, it is like we need to be realigned all the things, right? From government to till everything we can say. So these are the three factors we can say that is transforming everywhere, like agility, then digital transformations and work from home culture. So for this what we need to do is we need to plan and we need to execute that. Second thing, what is the product and what is the services that we want to deliver that. One example that I want to put it out, like I'm from the automobile sector, right? It is more like affecting from last year itself only. So what we do is right now Honda or Volkswagen or Tata or Suzuki, they come up with the ideas to sell their product online services also they are providing to the customers. So this is one of the practices that we have come up in that case. If we are talking about the job prospects that and if everyone is thinking at how they are getting a good job in market, so pharmaceutical companies there, healthcare companies are there, FMCG, e-commerce field are already there in market, that you can align yourself with this companies or where you want to go ahead with the thing. This year is unfortunately it is not much, we can say big good luck for us, but we can bring it out something that we can align or we can come up with a new skill accordingly. So planning and execution part that we need to put it out in each and every day, that for the future, for the next month also we need to plan each and everything, that we are doing it right now, but it is unpredictable, that according to the government intervention we need to plan accordingly. Then digital transformation, that how we are going to reach our customer, that is one second prospect. And in institute we can say that how you can prepare your students for new come up challenges and how you can place your student that is not get placed. So we need to focus what is going on in market, and according to that what are the opportunities we need to gain accordingly. Third thing, what are the people and processes, how we can engage our people and how we can align with our processes. In each field we can say that it is not about one thing that we are doing, we are working from home so we are happy with our families, we are putting our times in doing our work also and we are giving some time with our families. So we need to balance both the things and we need to work for that. And one live example that we all know, that Wipro is giving his own business house, means office for COVID patients to, means they can means they can treat their patient, their means hospitality they can provide them in their office also. So these are the good practices that companies also come up to help the government. So if they are helping the government to find out some solutions according to that, so we should also adjust according to that, right? So there are some platforms that we need to adopt to explore the new things in that, like for the opportunity that has come up for the IT student or mechanical or the electronics. So we need to understand what is the big data analytics, what is the IoT, what is the artificial intelligence that is working out in industries right now, and Tata Steels and Tata Icon or some more IT industries that are come up with the e-learning courses. So just need to go ahead with that functional skills or some soft skills that you want to learn on that. So these are the basic learning skills that you can learn from there. Okay. So industry, you can go ahead with so many examples right now. Even government are using a digital platform for treating this COVID situation to find out a solutions in that. So a new way we need to come up with that. So the work from home culture will play a defining role in that case. So STOP is a big potential to find out a big solution for this crisis. So STOP, it means we need to stop at home. We can say STOP means social distancing. Okay. Second thing, travel time, that we can utilize this travel time also in a good way. We can say our energy to travel in a big hours also. Occupancy, that a big companies that it is they are working for a big occupancy. Now you can work from home and you can utilize that time period also. Then pollution, that you can see that we can right now we are telling to each and everyone that earth is healing in their ways. So the pollution part, it is also come up with saturation point, we can say that everyone is now enjoying that how greenery it is. So we just need to find it out some ways to cope up with this situation. So we can say that digital payment, cloud computing, healthcare, cyber security, e-commerce and robotics part that has come up with new terms. So we need to find it out some ways to cope up with this talent, and we need to utilize our resources like from the workforce to till home also. We need to find it out always to cope up with that. And we need to find it out how employment generation in future expect in always. In government also they are finding some ways that we can provide some self-help services to the people. Niti Aayog and some new platform that has been there from Pradhan Mantri Yojana. So we need to find it out how we can do our best in that case. Anyone wants to add some point? Upendra, Ajit?
Yeah, definitely. Means as you mentioned, work-life balance is important for us. We need to maintain our learning skill as well as how we can maintain our social skill also, because as you mentioned this social distancing, I am little bit so social distancing is definitely required for us, but it's not social distancing, it's a physical distancing. We need to maintain physical distance between one and miss together, but we need to connect with people to understand, to communicate, to have a update of market. And for that purpose we need to develop our skill. We need to use the technology like Zoom we are having. We can connect with people around the world, and for that purpose we need to be prepared. And that is the main agenda of that today's discussion. And how to develop, for that I need to mention some things. We need to use health technology, what I learned during that pandemic area. Health, first we need to keep good health with us. If we are healthy, then only we can do anything. We can do we can achieve our aim or life, objective of life. Then another one thing I want to mention, that introspection, self assessment is required now. We need to think what we want to stop now onwards. क्या चीजें हैं जो हमको आज के बाद नहीं करनी है. What the things we need to start now. ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं जो अभी हमें मदद करेंगी through technology. बहुत various things are there you can use for your assessment and for your development. Then which things we want to continue. ऐसी कौन सी अच्छी चीजें जो हम कर रहे थे, स्पेसिफिक मैं स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बात कर रहा हूँ, ऐसी कौन सी अच्छी चीजें हैं जो हमारे अंदर हैं, जो स्किल हमारे अंदर हैं, उसको हम कंटिन्यू करना चाहते हैं. एंड लास्ट वन इज द कंप्लीट. विच द थिंग्स आर वी वांट टू कंप्लीट नाउ. एंड फॉर दैट व्हाट द थिंग्स वी वांट टू लर्न. हम उसके लिए क्या क्या हमको सीखना पड़ेगा. वी नीड टू बी अ लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्नर. जब आप लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्नर बन पाएंगे तभी आप लाइफ में कंटिन्यूअस इंप्रूवमेंट कर पाएंगे. बिकॉज सक्सेस मिलना इज इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, सक्सेस को रिटेन करना इज इंपॉर्टेंट है. देन यू टू बी ट्रांसफॉर्म, रेडी टू बी चेंज. आपको हमेशा समय के साथ में बदलते रहना पड़ेगा अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइम. रेडी फॉर चेंज, एक्सेप्ट द चेंजेस एंड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ चेंज. जब आप चेंज का पार्ट हो पाएंगे तभी आप चेंज के साथ में आगे बढ़ पाएंगे. एंड we need to give a new start to our life. For that new start in the sense new stand for nutrition. आपको प्रॉपर फूडिंग करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आप सिचुएशन देख रहे हैं कि इतना कुछ हो रहा, भी टोटली आउटसाइड का हम फूड अलाउ नहीं करते हैं अपने घर में. व्हाट इज द रीजन? बिकॉज वी आर प्रिकॉशन. हम अपने लिए प्रिकॉशन ले रहे हैं, अपनी फैमिली के प्रिकॉशन ले रहे हैं. तो हमको एक अच्छा फूड मिलना चाहिए, हेल्दी फूड मिलना चाहिए, सो दैट वी कैन कीप आवर सेल्फ हेल्दी. देन वी नीड टू डू रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज. Regular exercising is required to keep us healthy. At least 30 minutes in a day we need to do that. Then water. हमको बहुत सारा पानी पीना चाहिए to keep immune system improve. Then start. Yes, stand for smile. हमको हमेशा स्माइल रखना चाहिए फेस में. स्ट्रेस से हमको लाइफ में कुछ भी नहीं मिलने वाला है. Then we need to focus on how to make ourselves smile and how we can smile to others. That is our, हमको उसके बारे में सोचना चाहिए. देन ओनली वी कैन अवॉइड अवर स्ट्रेस, वी कैन डू हैप्पीली द थिंग्स. देन टाइम मैनेजमेंट. हमको टाइम को मैनेज करना चाहिए. हमारा दिन भर का शेड्यूल होना चाहिए कि हमारी कैसी कैसी प्रायोरिटीज रहेंगी, वेदर वी आर एम्प्लॉय और वी आर स्टूडेंट. हमारे दिन भर के एजेंडे होने चाहिए कि आज मुझे क्या सीखना है, आज मैं क्या करना चाहता हूँ. देन we need to follow the schedule. We need to follow the schedules. We need to be tolerated because सिचुएशन ऐसी है कि टॉलरेंस बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस आएंगे उस टाइम के बीच में भी दौरान भी. हाउ टू टॉलरेट द थिंग्स, लेट इट गो. जो चीज चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं जो आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं है उनको जाने देना पड़ेगा. यू नीड टू बी पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड. आपका एटीट्यूड पॉजिटिव रहेगा तभी आप ऐसी सिचुएशन को टैकल कर पाएंगे. देन आर स्टैंड फॉर रेस्ट. यू नीड टू बी स्लीप वेल. आपको अच्छी नींद पूरी करनी है, आपको हेल्दी रहना. तो एंड यू नीड टू बी रिक्रिएटिव. आपको क्रिएटिव होना पड़ेगा. आपको ऐसे वे ढूंढने पड़ेंगे जिससे आप आगे बढ़ पाए इस सिचुएशन के साथ में. एंड लास्ट वन, द ट्रस्ट. यू नीड टू बी कीप ट्रस्ट ऑन अस, ऑन आवर सेल्फ, ऑन गॉड, जिसको भी आप मानते हैं. वी नीड टू ट्रस्ट ऑन नेचर. वी नीड टू ट्रस्ट ऑन अवर टीचर्स, अवर प्रोफेसर्स, एंड वी नीड टू ट्रस्ट ऑन अवर टीम जिसके साथ में हम काम कर रहे हैं. These are the things which are essential for human being. That is from my end. Priti, you want to add, or Ajit, you want to add something? You can add.
I think
Yes,
it is
I think now going ahead, going ahead, one of the most important skill will be learning. Learning and unlearning will be the most important skill. You can also call it as a superpower. One who is able to learn in the fastest time, he would have an edge over the others. And one who would also not keep restricting himself. Like I have got few questions in the chat. People, I mean, the students are asking that I'm from civil engineering background. How will it affect? Like now, situation is very bad. So yes, the situation has definitely changed for everybody. Now going ahead for civil engineers, they will have to look that how social distancing will be incorporated into the new buildings. I think now apart from offices, more hospitals will be built. Different sort of structures will be coming up. Like things will continue, but in a different way. So how you have to be how you can be flexible and how you can learn new things and not restrict yourself to your domain. You shouldn't say that I am only a civil engineer. You can say that I am a civil engineer who also knows programming. I am a civil engineer who also knows machine learning. You have to build yourself that way. Your college will definitely equip you with so many things. So be open to whatever the learnings are there. And from your own side also, we have seen that there are so many good websites like Udemy, Coursera, and many other websites. So make use of those websites. If you use your student email ID, many courses you'll get for free also. So definitely make use of them going ahead, because learning, as I'm saying, learning will be the true superpower now in the future.
that we can use it as a tool to learn it in future aspect in that case. Now we can come up with some question answers. Madam, we can go ahead. So we can go ahead for this.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can we take some questions from the students?
Yeah.
Yes. Just go ahead with the students. They can
some questions is already asked that after COVID, the change employability, employability trend will be changed or not? One question is
yes, it is going to be changed. Yes, it is going to be changed, because as per the scenario, we can see that how it is going to be affect in that case. So there are some industries, they are doing well right now, like right, I already mentioned that pharmaceutical company, healthcare industries, or those who are doing as an essential product. So they are working still from in this situation also. So they are not impacted much on this, right? And if we are telling about the other industries like engineering companies or automobile companies or some other companies like IT companies, so they are also suffering from this situation. So we can say that within this 6 to 8 months, it is going to be affect means in many ways in that case. So we need to find it out that in coming future, what is the new hirings that is come up in the market. So we need to focus which companies is doing good and what are the skills that is been aligned with our students. So if any companies they are taking up the students, so we needed to find it out what are the ways. So employability, it is going to be drastically changed. So many companies are going to be hold their new hiring people also. So need to find it out some that cases how we can align with that our students.
Yeah. Another questions is that, madam, from another students, sir, as the current scenario, the gap is low, no sufficient money for spending or creating a demand or consumptions. Another hand, it's an golden opportunity for self-dependent. Will it be appropriate time for rising or growing for a self-dependent?
So there's no appropriate time actually, because
Yeah.
any time is appropriate time for starting on your own.
Right.
And these situations like these provide opportunities for everyone. For like for example, in pharma, like our company, we are into specifically medicines into dermatology and pediatrics. Due to this situation, we have also started our own range of COVID care products. That is the PP mask, then PP kits, testing kits, kits for doctors, and also we have also registered one of for one of the cure for COVID. I mean, it's still in clinical trials, but we have also got a tie-up with that. So now, like we thought, this would be an ideal time to, go into the COVID care range. Five years back, we thought, dermatology would be the best segment. So yes, we should look at, what opportunities are there, but definitely, I don't think there's a right answer or there's a right time to start.
Yes.
Any time is the best time.
Changing is the constant, you can say, sir.
Yes, yes, and we need
Those
to.
can change yourself, or if I can change myself, so I can survive,
Yes.
otherwise not. That's true, sir.
And one
So
more
we need
point
to
I
adapt.
want to add,
Yes.
that
Yeah,
means
one
how the
one
situation is that means there is limitation on employability, and for that we need to think about how we can create the employability. That is the major part. You need to think about more ideas how we can do another things like Ola, Uber, lot of concepts, lot of opportunities in the market. You need to think creatively, and you need to think how we can do unique way so that we can start our startups and we can create the employability in the market. This is the best time to learn those things, and once the market open, we can implement our ideas, and we can start our startups.
Yes, sir. Another questions. It's I think it is a very good questions. It is a necessary to have a certificate rather than a skill. Is it necessary to have a certificate rather than a skill?
Certificate, I will say, it's a degree to show, because ultimately the thing is that the matter is that what the knowledge you have. क्योंकि क्या होता है, नॉलेज आपको प्रेजेंट करना पड़ता है, नॉलेज आपको शो करना पड़ता है, यू नीड टू इम्प्लीमेंट इन योर वर्क. दैट इज द नॉलेज, एंड फॉर दैट पर्पज आपको डिग्री उस समय नहीं चाहिए पड़ती. उस समय आपका नॉलेज, आपका एक्सपीरियंस, आपकी स्किल ही लगती है. डिग्रियां तो तालीम के खर्चे में रसीदे हैं, सच तो वही है जो किरदार में झलकता है. आपका थॉट प्रोसेस चेंज होना चाहिए, आपके अंदर वो स्किल आना चाहिए टू इम्प्लीमेंट दो स्किल्स टू अचीव द रिजल्ट्स, टू शो द रिजल्ट्स. एंड फॉर दैट डिग्रियां इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. डेफिनेटली फॉर आपका सर्टिफिकेट रहना चाहिए कि आप यू हैव कंप्लीटेड अ सर्टिफिकेट, यू हैव done a course. For that purpose degree is required. Otherwise for implementation knowledge is it's compulsory. Knowledge is compulsory.
One electrical engineer, I think maybe electrical background he is scared about whether this electrical engineering job will be increased or decreased, or it will be the same. It is too early to predict, I think, but sir, your opinion. Electrical engineering job after the COVID, means after COVID is nothing is there, always with COVID. But with COVID, or after lockdown, whatever you can say, electrical engineering background students will be get the more opportunity, or it will be get the less opportunity?
Uh, uh, I would like to answer that. See, right now there is a lot of
Yeah.
uncertainty for sure,
Yes. Yes.
and right now what each one is thinking is based on what he has seen, say from the last 15 years, 20 years. Each student has seen things going a certain way. Mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, they are being in certain jobs and so on and so forth. But what industry 4.0 and what this pandemic is telling us is, the change, the pace of change is very fast now.
Yes.
So it is very difficult to predict also, and it is difficult that our parents who you had a very stable job, similar sort of job. So those sort of jobs, now they will not be there. So it is, first of all, it is very unpredictable as of now. Secondly, also I would like to tell all our students is, in this situation we tend to think a lot what will happen and what will not. So first of all, do not panic. Everyone is facing this situation, and it is very normal for all of us to panic and worry about ourself and our career. It is very normal, but don't overthink. Slowly things will become stable, and there will be definitely opportunities for everyone. But as we have been discussing in this presentation, you need to skill yourself apart from only being an electrical engineer. Like, you do not should not restrict that I'll be only an electrical engineer, I'll only work in such type of job. Companies going ahead will be asking you to be very flexible. You'll need to do programming, you'll need to work with sales, do sales and marketing. So you have to be very flexible in those aspects, and this is the right time to now skill yourself, do certifications, courses, and think about those aspects. So yes, everyone is bit of has fear on these aspects, but maybe this very normal. So think on what we can do about this, and don't think much about what we cannot do or what we cannot control.
Madam, are you want to say something? Preeti ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
You said what I can add in this way. Okay. So was just I can add only one this point, that we need to adapt this situation right now. If any features that is matched with your skills, that is not 100%, but if it is up to 20-30% also, so we can go ahead with that.
Right.
And we can't yes, and if you are demanding that अरे मैंने तो 12 लाख रुपए 15 लाख रुपए दे करके मैंने admission लिया था, and we are not getting that much means the package also. So November, December time, January time is already there, or most of the means most of the employees or most of the students, those who want to change their jobs, or those who want to go for some industries also corporate, they already went for this, right? So we can't demand much about that means from the monetary prospect also, like if we are financially, if all are facing in the same way, so we just need to adapt the situations. So for 6 to 7 months, we can say that we can't predict anything right now. Whatever come up with us, we just need to adjust on that. Even we are also facing some ways, right? If anything is uncertainty, unpredictability is there, so what will do in future in that aspect. We just need to like sustain ourselves in this situation now, right? So this only I just want to add.
Ma'am, a lot of questions is there. I
So just put up in our mail ID also, so we
yeah,
can
yeah.
give them.
Yeah.
If
Just
one two questions we can take.
Madam, it is the last questions. Madam, it is the
Yeah.
last questions. How do I get a job in today's situations, that is in COVID-19, and
Mm-hmm.
just COVID-19, and which sector I choose my better future in secure my career? To
Who is
secure my career.
may I know who's that person who is putting this situation,
Yeah.
this question, so that we can interact with these people.
One of the students. One of the students.
Okay. So
Maybe
in
I
this
don't know the.
situation,
Maybe I don't know the actually his name.
or name. Okay.
Name
Okay.
is there,
Fine.
but not department.
Okay. So in a particular department, if we come to know, so we can give a particular
Yeah,
field.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
It is a very vast thing. One department, department wise, it will be
Yes,
different.
yes, yes. That I already mentioned before also that right now healthcare, pharma, e-commerce industry and FMCGs, these are the company, those who are doing good in market. If you are focusing particular for present, if you're in a final year students or in a third year students, we just need to focus what is right now going on in particular this market situation. What are the new hirings that is going on in particular this field. So just go ahead with that. As compared to engineering field or automobile field or from the electrical field, you just find it out the ways in this field, in this companies, we can say in this industries or in government organization also. They are also they are also post their vacancies afterwards, not right now. I can say because they are already declared in their forum that we are posting afterwards. So just need to focus what is the current situation. According to that, these are the present companies that they are doing well in that. So according to your skills, if you are a engineering student, so how you can deal with means what are the skills that has come up with your things and how it is matched with that. So just find that hiring process that is going on in this industries, and if it is suitable with your skills, so you can hire, you get hired in that case. It is tough situations for all of us.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. And if I can, Renuka madam will be last conclude. But if I say one line, so changing is the
We
constant.
want you to say something.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Add,
yeah.
add
Yes,
Just,
sir,
something.
we
just I
want.
add one more thing. Whatever I learned today's
Yes,
sessions,
sir.
just take away from these sessions. I can say changing is the constant. Number one, and in that particular time period, if possible, do some courses. You increase your skills. Whatever is very much an essentials, and whatever in my point of view, if I'm categorized, all the students, maybe students will be categorized in the three four three four portions, like good students, very good students, average students, below average students. Maybe the good students and very good students will be get the job, and but for very very problematic for the average students and below average students. So whatever madam and sir is told, that you get up your skills, so I think it will be best for you. And whenever you come up for readiness in your job, so you will be get the job, even you will be master of that particular subjective, like that. So in this way you can increase your skill, like NPTEL, like Coursera. If you are under Techno India students, so within this week we will be given you the subscriptions of Coursera, so everyone students can maximum number of there is no limitations. The maximum number of Coursera courses you can do, you can get the certificate from the Coursera, because the Coursera certificate is required near about 5 to 6,000 rupees. But we will be Techno India will be provided. Techno India will be sponsored. It is not from the TechWeave. It is only from the Techno India group. We are sponsoring you the Coursera courses, whatever madam is told today. After that, I am deciding.
You can you are taking up some unacademy course also. They are adding some value for this uh, for the government examinations also, that NEET, SET, and then after for mechanical students also they are providing so many courses in that case. So
Yeah,
just follow this unacademy. It is my
yeah,
view that you
yeah,
can
yeah,
go
yeah,
for that for
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah,
student point of
yeah,
view.
yeah. And in this way, if I'm continue, so I will be going into the Renuka ma'am. Renuka ma'am will be conclude. Sir, yeah, madam and sir, if you want to say share something else. Preeti ma'am, you want to say something else? Preeti ma'am or Ajit sir or Upendra sir,
Uh, tha-
you want to say
So
something,
I
sir?
mean, lastly, I would like to thank the institute, the Techno India Group, for giving us
Yeah,
this opportunity to interact with the students, and having a very frank conversation with the students. So
yeah.
thanks a lot, and hope students would have benefited from this session that we had.
right?
Thanks a lot.
It's a very, very energetic, and we can say we'll learn a lot. That's the things that are great things, I think. And Renuka madam, please continue.
Yes, sir. As we have come to know after listening to our experts that in future there would be drastic change in post COVID-19, and we have to prepare ourselves for that. Mostly the attitude can determine the thing, so we have to adopt a positive attitude. As sir has said, Ajit sir was talking about 5 P's, like 5 P's of preparedness, proactiveness, predictiveness, productivity, and protectiveness. All these 5 P's we need to adopt so that we can retain our hope and boost up our efforts. Nobody knows what would happen in post COVID-19. It is unpredictable, but we have to adopt a positive attitude so that we can tackle the situation, and so that we can prove ourselves victorious. Means at last, I would thank all our expert speakers for their invaluable suggestions and thought-provoking ideas. I owe an immense debt of gratitude to our guest speakers, Ms. Preeti Sakhre, Mr. Upendra Tiwari, and Mr. Ajit Yadavarkar for their worthy guidance and sustained encouragement in the functional field. We are grateful for your ingenious and brilliant suggestions. I also pay my respect to Vice Chairman, Mr. Mohit Chatterjee, Deputy Director, Dr. Sudipto Chakravarti, Principal Ma'am, Dr. Shobani Roy, Vice Principal Sir, Dr. Najmul Islam, Technical Coordinator, Dr. Aditya Kumar Singh, for their mentorship and unfailing support for organizing the webinar. I sincerely thank Training and Placement Officer, Mr. Abhinav Biswas, for his consistent effort to make this webinar true. Last but not the least, I place on record my sincere thanks to all the participants for making this webinar successful. May we in future can again organize such webinars which can be very successful for us, and which will prove very beneficial in this post-COVID-19, in this drastic change of situations. At last, I want to say, stay happy, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We'll be stay at our home, obviously, because there is no options without
yes, sir.
To leave. We should be stay at home. Otherwise, it's very difficult.
Yes,
and thank you, everyone.
Yes, it was a very interactive session, and I think most of our students got benefited. Our teachers also, whoever was the participants. We have such a distinguished experts with us, such a experienced personalities. We are really hopeful for in future that we can interact also. Thank you,
madam. If you want to add something, you can unmute and you can say. Sarvani madam, if you want to add something, you can unmute and you can say.
Nothing to say about more, but overall I can say it was a nice session.
Yeah.
And again, I am paying my heartiest thanks to our delegates, all participants, and our students. All cooperations has made the program overall very nicely and successful. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Abhinavo. Special thanks to Abhinavo. Abhinavo is doing a great job. Abhinavo doing a great job. Renuka madam doing a great job, and the whole teams is a great job. And whatever your excellent performance regarding the.
Also done a great job, sir. Without your support, it wouldn't be possible, sir. From your end, nothing. Also, it was the greatest job. Thank you, sir.
No. And the speaker speak nicely from the starting from Mohit sir, then madam, and then the three amazing speaker. Whatever I learned today. Thank you everyone, and we will be meet again. We will be meet soon. We can say that's it, and we can end our sessions. Thanks a lot. Renuka madam, thank you. Abhinavo sir, thank you, and everyone is thank you.
Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.